Hey everyone, it's Delana. I just wanted to talk about staging today. I have a current listing that I'm working on. It's an $8 million listing and a brand new build that we are trying to sell. So just wanted to go over some of the points of staging and see what you guys think. Again, my name is Delana. I've been selling real estate in Phoenix, Scottsdale, Paradise Valley for over 15 years now, and I specialize in the luxury real estate market. So, hope you guys follow me along, and I have plenty of stories to tell about each and every one of my transactions. So, please like and subscribe, and will follow me along my journey. So let's start here. This listing right here, like I said, is in Paradise Valley. It's a brand new build. There's not a lot of new builds in Paradise Valley, and we finished construction about a month ago, and we thought it would sell right away, so we did not stage it. And it was actually for sale while we were building. One of the unfortunate things, it is a busier street along here. It's not one of the interior lots. So I suggested to the builder we don't show it till it's done because when I was showing it before it was finished, all people could see was the busy street. And they're like, no way, no way. So we needed them to get in the house and follow them up inside the house to sell it. So we kind of stopped showing it until it was done. We finished the build and then showing it again, no buyers. So they decided to go ahead and stage it. The original photos were already done without the staging, so the photographer had to come back and retake the pictures. So this first picture here is of the great room. This house is 6,500 square feet. It has this beautiful great room. But when you walked into the great room without the furniture, it just seemed very cavernous, just this like big empty space. And people really like that open concept, but sometimes they can't, with how open it is, they can't visualize how the furniture will go and how it will work. So having the furniture here really gave it that lived-in look. Somewhere you could feel like you could sit down and I could hang out there on that couch and watch TV, and just gives it a more cozier feel. They do say that homes sell 73% of homes sell faster having them staged. So I'm hoping this speeds up the process of selling because we have not sold this house yet. And this is the kitchen, great room area. You can see the ceramics to the right there. It really fills in at built in. And the other one, it just looked very bare. We also have a very unusual island, which is an L-shaped island. Um, People really couldn't get their head around the island. I've had mixed views about that, but having the seats there really helped get people to figure out like how this is going to set up and how this is going to feel to have that kind of lower level and seating area there on the left hand side. So that's been very helpful. Everybody's commented on the ceramics, the white ceramics in the built-ins. It just gives it a great look. I also find that staging gives a real emotional connection for people, especially in the primary where you're going to spend a lot of your time. People really want to feel like, oh, this is where I'm going to put the bed. When I wake up, this is going to be my view. And, having that little seated area also has the door to outside, just really made it more of a cozier feel. People have much more of an emotional connection when they see the furniture there. So here we are in the dining room. Like I said, one of the things that I noticed before is people would even come in and say, "What is this space for?" Some of us might say, "Well, you see the chandelier that would obviously be the dining room," but I had a lot of people going, "Well, what is this space for?" So, and this room is like kind of when you walk in the front door, you make a left, and it's right there. So they kind of walked in. It's like, oh, there's this big, weird, empty space. So now when they walk in, they see this beautiful dining room. Again, the builder added that glass, like the backlight there. That was an addition. So to see that actually function and how pretty it is, that was really helpful. But we had to go back again and take all the listing photos over again. So listing are the showings haven't really changed much since the photos went in the MLS, but I do find being here desperately during the showings that we do have, and definitely during the open houses, people have really commented about the furniture. They also find that with stage homes, the perceived value goes up. So like I said before, it was a brand new build, so we saw the value in it being a brand new build and the lack of inventory of new build homes that are done. So we felt that, the perceived value was there, just for the sheer fact that it was brand new. So since it didn't sell, we had to go back. The price has not changed. We still have it at the same price, but I believe that this furniture has definitely made people see that it is the value that it is supposed to be. This $8 million, having all this different seating area, especially outside. There's multiple seating areas where before it was just kind of bare. This bar area, you can see the backlight, and the other one you can't really see the picture, but that having the backlight there, and there's a bunch of furniture on the other side of that pass through. That was another additional space that people were like, what is that and what is it for? And having the couches and everything out there, you can see that it's kind of part of the bar area. It's like an exterior room outside of the bar, and that wasn't really perceived before, so that's definitely helpful. Like I said, the outside was very bare. All these different little seating areas you can see around the fire pit. We added some seating, and if you go towards the doors going back inside to the right of the fire pit, there's also another little seating area there. So when you walk in the front door, you can see directly out to here. So having the furniture there really gives it like a feel like something going on. Before it was just bare, bare, bare. So it's definitely helped a lot. The casita has definitely helped a lot. People didn't really get their head around the casita because it was two rooms. So we have one room that has a living room and a little dining table, and then the other room is a bedroom. But people are like, well, what is this room for? Like, what can we use it for? So now you can see it can actually be a true guest house. And a lot of people asked about putting a kitchen in and things like that, since now they can see it's like an additional house on the property. So let me know what you guys think, and let me know how you feel about the before and after pictures of its staging. Would you see it selling faster? Do you see the perceived value going up? Anyways, very interested in your comments. Like I said, please like, subscribe. I'm just starting on this journey. I have many, many multi-million dollar transactions that I want to share with you guys. I've learned tons along the way, all very interesting stories, and hopefully teach you guys some things that I really learned the hard way. Anyways, bye. Hope everybody enjoyed the video.